Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Safira Aulia from the Faculty of Economy and Business at Bina Sarana Informatika University, majoring in Management. So, in this video, I will introduce and explain one of the tenses in English. It's the present continuous tense. Let's dive into it. Before we start, I hope you can understand the following learning objective. First, understand the basic of structure of the present continuous tense. Second, recognize when to use it in everyday situation. Last is create their own sentence in the present continuous tense. Next, what is the present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is a form of tense that you can use to explain something or express an action that is taking place during a certain time in the present. So this tense is used to indicate the activity that is being carried out, usually marked by the word again or moderate. This form indicates that the action occurs before, like begin before, during is in the progress at the present, and continues after time or other action. Notes. Present continuous tense is usually marked with time information, such as now or right now, at the moment, this month, this year, and still. Moving on part 2. Formula for present continuous tense. This present continuous tense has a general formula, which is subject plus be are is plus verb 1 at the end plus complement. The present continuous tense has a 3 formula. The first one is positive sentence or affirmative sentence, which is follow the general formula mentioned before. So it's like subject plus be are is plus verb 1 at the end plus complement. The second one is negative sentence formula. Which is like subject plus be are is plus not plus verb 1 at the end plus complement. And last is interrogative sentence formula, which is like be in front of the subject, be are is plus subject plus verb 1 at the end plus complement. Adverb of time and to be. There are 2 types of adverb of time. So the first one is around the time of speaking. This includes this year, this month, this week, this period. And the second is at the time of speaking. So include now, right now, currently, at the moment, just now, listen and look. Next is to be verbs. For example, like I pairs with am and then add a not. Add a not plus adverb in plus verb, objective or complement. So example which is like I am not cooking dinner right now, or I'm not cooking dinner right now. I am not or I'm not, it's same. Next. Usage of present continuous tense sentence. The first one we will discuss some function of the present continuous tense directly with example in various sentence patterns. The first one is things that are happening now. The function is to show an action that is currently happening. For example, first they are not eating the cake. Second, he is not dancing on the stage. Second is temporary event, stating that the action takes a longer time but only for a temporary time. Unlike point one, the function the function often describe an action happening over a longer but still temporary period. Example: he's studying a new language at the moment. She's upgrading her computer skill at the moment. Third is talk, the action around the time of speaking. As I mentioned before about the present continuous tense, a verb of time, this tense can be used to describe an activity that occurs around the time of speaking. So example like Rara is taking 3 classes this semester. The second is Arnold is spending a lot of his money this week. Okay, next is fourth is a new pattern or habit. This tense can highlight a contrast between old and new situations. So example like this day, people are writing emails a lot less than they used a few years ago. Okay, last is the future plans. This tense is used to talk about something previously discussed, to discuss or plan that will happen soon. So example, first, when we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. Second, my manager is promoting Stacy to be the new lead team next month. Example for present continuous tense. As previously known, the present continuous tense has a specific formula, and here are examples for each other. So first is a positive sentence formula, or affirmative sentence. Example like I am writing a letter to my boyfriend. They are attending a conference next week. And last is she is cooking dinner for us. Negative sentence formula. So the example is first, I am not cooking right now. He is not wearing her glasses today. They are not listening to the radio at the moment. And last is interrogative sentence formula. The example like, are you studying right now? Are they traveling to Swiss next winter? And is he playing soccer with her friends? So like that. When can the present continuous tense not be used? Then use present continuous for all events that occurs in the present, that occur normally, or over a longer period of time and repeatedly. So example like I play the piano every morning must not be changed to I am playing the piano every morning. So it's different. Next is verb then that can be used in the present continuous tense. Okay, not all English verbs can be used in the present continuous tense. Many verbs do not describe an action, so they cannot have ing at the end. There are no stative verbs, like opposites of dynamic verbs. Here are some examples of stative verbs. So, first is perception and sensation. So, example like is that verbs that can describe human sense. So it's like hear, taste, smell, see, and sound. Next is cognition, emotion, and attitude. So this verb can describe cognition, emotion, and attitude. The example like love, had, adore, and adopt. Adore, doubt, like, forget, agree, and disagree. Third is having and being. So example like have to cause require, and belong. Last is other stative verbs. Is wait, contain, involve, and consist. Okay. Notes. Actually, there is no correct way to classify whether a verb falls into the static or dynamic category. A sum of the above word can change shape depending on the context of the sentence or its use. Okay, that's all for me. I apologize for any mistakes. I hope the material present is understandable. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.